Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to this fun video. Today I'm going to show you how to install apps on the App Store without asking for the Apple ID password every time on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, as you can see, as I want to install app here, it's asking for the Apple ID password every time. So how to get rid of this problem? Just go back to your home screen and open up settings app here on your device, and then tap here on your Apple ID, and then tap here on media and purchases, and now tap on password settings, and here turn the toggle off for the required password and tap here on turn, and then go back and scroll it down here and tap here on screen time, and again scroll it down and tap here on content and privacy restrictions, and again tap here on iTunes and App Store purchases, and here are two options, always required and don't require. So you have to tap here on don't require and then go back and turn the toggle off for the content and privacy restrictions here, and then go back and again try to install the app. Yep, here it is. Tap on install. So guys, as you can see, app is installing right now without asking for the Apple ID password. So that's it guys for today's video. Thanks for watching.